Hello, welcome to my channel, and don't forget to follow and subscribe if you like my content. Today the aim of this video is to create a look inspired by Rihanna. First I'm going to prep my skin with the Insta Blur primer from the Body Shop. This primer is actually fantastic for reducing your pore sizes. Next I'm going in with the Kiko Milano Neutral Base Eye Primer to prime my eyes before applying eyeshadow. I'm going to set this with the Clear Radiance powder from Bare Minerals, and this will help your eyeshadows glide on smoothly. For my eyebrows, I'm going to use the Body Shop's Brow and Liner Kit. I use this kit to fill in my eyebrows, as you can see, and then go and clean it with a cotton bud. So for my eyeshadow, I'm going to use two palettes. One is the Urban Decay Born to Run palette, and one is the Body Shop palette, which you will see in this video later. For the transition shade, I'm going to use that beautiful color called Riff from the Urban Decay palette. And then I'm going to go in with the Good As Gone shade just to give it a little bit of darkening on the edges. If you look at Rihanna's picture, the eye makeup isn't that strong, but it's more emphasis on the lipstick. Next I'm going in with this gorgeous orangey colour from the Body Shop, orangey gold I would say, and I'm going to put this all over my eyes just to bring the warmth in for the look. For my upper waterline, I'm going to use this Exaggerate Waterproof Liner from Rimmel London. And I'm not going to fill in the bottom waterline. And for my concealer, I'm going to use the Body Shop's Lightning Touch, because I want it to be quite luminous at the bottom of my eyes. For my liner, I'm going to use the Bare Minerals Lash Domination Ink Liner, and I'm going to be applying this extremely thin just to copy the same method as what Rihanna has done. Also, you will notice that Rihanna hasn't worn fake lashes, so I'm going to use an extra volumizing mascara rather than using lashes, which you will see in the video later. Also, for my contouring, I'm going to use the Kiko Milano shade 08 Highlight Effect, and I'm going in with the cream contour just to give it that same look as Rihanna has achieved. I'm going to continue adding more warmth to my skin with the highlight and contour palette from Morphe, and I'm going to use the shade Donut. I'm not as blessed as Rihanna with that gorgeous bronzing complexion. My complexion is quite pale, so I've had to go in with quite a bit of bronzer to get a similar effect. My overall look turned out quite similar, but I mean, I definitely aced the lipstick shade, but I think I could have still done a lot more bronzing to the overall finish, which I didn't quite get there. So maybe the next time I attempt that look, I will be able to achieve it on a much higher scale. Here I am just blending out all the bronzing and also adding some foundation. Now if you see my videos, you will see that I always use the Bare Minerals foundation, which is the original SPF foundation in the shade Medium Tan. I'm going to continue adding a lot more shimmer and bronze to achieve the look. For this, I'm going to use the Body Shop's Shimmer Waves palette, and as you can see, I'm just adding a lot of this to my cheeks to give it a bit more bronzing, and then whatever's left on the brush, I'm going to continue wiping that across the rest of my face. For my highlighter, I'm going to use this eyeshadow from Kiko Milano, which complements my skin quite a lot as a highlighter. I will tag the name of the shade in the comments section because I've forgotten what it is right now. Now I'm going to set my eyebrows with a clear gel. Any eyebrow gel will work well for this. Next, I'm going in with this mascara from Maybelline, which is called the Lash Sensational Mascara. I'm going to quickly tongue my eyelashes and then apply this. Now this mascara is very, very volumizing, which is great to complete this look. I recently watched a YouTube video created by Rihanna's makeup artist, in which she gave the tip that Rihanna loves a clumpy mascara, and so she goes in and individually grasps the strands of the mascara with the brush in upwards motions, which you'll see what I've done as well. I've also continued to shade the bottom line with the same dark shade that I used at the edges from my Urban Decay palette. For the lipstick, I've used a Body Shop lipstick, and this shade I think is perfect for the Rihanna's look to complete it. I will name the shade in the comments section below, so please do check it out. I've also gone in with some setting spray after, and then this has completed the look. As I said, I do think that this look came out really well, and I learned quite a few tips from Rihanna's makeup artist actually, that I watched while creating it. The only thing I would change personally is, as I said, go in a little bit more bronzer to complete the look. Other than that, I think it turned out great. Do let me know what you think.